We offer a full range of services in Maplewood, which would include drug-related cleanup services, hoarding, our biohazard-related services. It might be death, suicide, or body decomposition. And in the past year, we have helped several customers in Maplewood with death-related cleanup services. So our process begins when the customer calls our office. We'll gather the information that they have at that time, and we'll set up a time to meet them on the job site so that we can go over the scope of work. If needed, we'll help them file an insurance claim at that time as well. But we try to always be on every job within 24 hours, sometimes a little sooner depending on what the situation calls for. Not hiring a professional can lead to quality of work issues and work not being done properly. Unfortunately, it's pretty easy to call yourself a biohazard expert, when reality is a lot of those companies are fire or water restoration companies that do biohazard work on the side. At Scene Clean, we're all full-time. All the staff is full-time, and all the staff has third-party certifications. So we like to think if you call Scene Clean, you are calling and working with the best.